Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. And for today, I would like to unbox this Magic Tribal Universal Hibernation Pod. So I bought this from Shopee. The store that I got it from is Goody Good Deals. And I got this for 1,296, almost 1,300 pesos. So, as you can see, this is a big box. And we have the hibernation pod right here, or it can serve as like a regeneration chamber. And we've got a keyboard right here and a monitor for the hibernation pod. So, ang brand po ay Magic Tribal. Tapos, ang code niya is MT for Magic Tribal, MTO2. And it says right there, Universal Hibernation Pod. So, ito yung front of the box. And then the side. The other side of the box, parehas lang. And here is the bottom of the box. So, as you can see, pwede siyang i-display na sunod-sunod. Pagka meron kayong sci-fi diorama, maglalagay ng mga clones o mga creature na inaano dyan, kinukultivate o pinapalaki. And then itong details yan, merong acrylic sliding door. And then articulated yung mga joints ng mga parts ng hibernation pod. So sa kabilang side, yan merong display. So meron siyang 4 types of lights, LED to. So may blue, red, green, and probably white. And there's the QR code and the barcode. Tapos meron pa siyang hologram sticker right here. So at the back of wala na sa back. So sealed pa siya with the round tape, and sealed din yung kabilang side. So let's this is a model kit. Kailangan pa natin itong i-assemble. So titingnan ko lang muna yung mga runners at mga parts, and then natin buuin. And there you go. Ito ang laman. Some decal sticker, a VIP card, Zhuojiang, more sticker, decal sticker, dalawa. And then we've got the Universal Operation Console. Iba yung instruction manual ng operating console. Yung pala yung tawag doon. Yung merong monitor at keyboard. So, tinatawag siyang Operation Console. May kasama siyang stickers. Ayan ang kanyang instruction booklet. Here. And for the universal hibernation pad, ito naman ang kanyang instruction manual on how to assemble. So meron siyang kabuang 14 pages. Yan, Magic Tribal. So titingnan natin yung ayan na. Ito ang laman ng loob. Iba-ibang mga parts. Meron para sa pagbuo ng LED. May IC and ito yung mga screws maliliit. And ito na yung mga parts ng ating hibernation pad, mga runners. So, I'll have to assemble this first and I'll just get back to you once na matapos ko itong i-assemble. So, yan po ang universal hibernation pad. So, when I come back, pakita ko sa inyo yung nabuong ating hibernation pad. So, see you next time. Hi guys, welcome back. And we just finished assembling this Magic Tribal Universal Hibernation Pad. So, and time for the big reveal. So here we go. We finished two console here. So the first one is the Universal Operation Console. So this is the console used for operating the Universal Hibernation Pad. So I'll set aside this one first. So we have the console, the keyboard, yun, na-adjust siya at ang angle. So these two monitors here can be adjusted as well. So yan, may angle din siya. And the height of the console can be adjusted as well using this lever here. So yan. Yan. One. So you just turn this lever to adjust the height. Yan. So took me 4 hours to build this. And yeah, I have to put the water decals as well. So took a while, but looks good. Is caution. So for the water decal, you have to soak it at least soak it in lukewarm water for at least 10 seconds, and then when you lift it, it will slide. So position nyo yung water decal, and then once it's in position, use a Q-tip or cotton bud to wipe off the excess water. So very gently lang, para kasi gagalaw-galaw pa itong sticker na to, decal. So that's how you do it. So, and this one has an attachment to the hibernation pad. So yan, swivel din siya. So you can angle it any way you want. You can do it like this for the front or at the back. So here is a Beast, Retro Beast Marvel Legends. So yan, and he's doing some final check on our operation console, and the hibernation pad. So for the hibernation pad, I'll just remove this first. So this one took me 3 days straight to build, but not whole day. So for the first part, this backbone piece with the electronics, the battery, and the lights took me 5 hours on the first day. On the second day, I have to finish the whole section, this acrylic pad here, the casing and the base took me 4 hours. And then on the third day, actually the fourth, it took me half a day on this one as well, 4 hours build. So, and on the fourth day, placing the water decals and stickers. So very basic lang ang color scheme ng hibernation pad na to, white and dark gray with a little light gray there, light gray, but mostly gray, dark gray, and white. So to make the console pad pop out, place some stickers there, this blue one, and then there's stickers there as well, and then this silver part here are stickers, and silver part here are stickers. So for the decals, this one, lock on, lock off, those are, and these zebra lines are decals, so both sides. And then this one are decals. So yung caution then on the top, both sides are decals, and last is this one, warning sign, are decals. So this has a light up picture. So there, lock on, lock off, and then yung electronic part. The lights are on the top, and we've got you need two AAA battery to operate it. So you press this button right here on the top, and then it will turn blue. Press again for green, and then red, and then white. And if you press this twice, very tap twice, mag-change yung color nito. Yan, fade siya from red to blue, and then it will fade again into green. There you go. And then back to red, and then blue and green. So, and then when you tap it again, very long, the power button here, it will turn off. So, yeah, to lift the front part of the pad, use this one. And then yung clamp niya dito can be adjusted. And then, yan. The clamp can be open and then close. May hook dun sa harap. There you go. So you can place your figure depending on the height. So let's try this anime girl, Rei Ayanami. So because she is slim, perfect fit for the pad. There you go. And here's another figure. Luke Skywalker, Bespin. So, since medyo malapad siya, you can adjust it, but the clamp will not properly close. So, Luke is trying to regenerate his hand cut off by Vader in Empire. Big figures like this beast won't fit in there because he is wide and bulky. So only slim figures like this Figma Mikuru can fit in there. So yeah, so that's it for my review. So this universal pad can be adjusted by pushing this lever down kasi nakalock pa ito. So once you push this, it releases the angle of the hibernation pad. So pwede nyo na siyang i-angle into any position and you can move it forward. Yeah. And then this lever type here is the support. And we have, if you can flip this side here as the base. Yan. So, depends on your preferred placement. You can adjust it by moving this lever into your desired position. And you can move it forward, you can move it back, you can lean it very far or just the right amount. So to open this pad, just click this one and it will slide. So and to connect this one, just touch and can be adjusted. The front, or you can put it at the side. So there you go, guys, for our universal hibernation pad. So this is a fun build, very challenging because you have to do a lot of screwing. There's too many screws, but it makes the pad sturdy or stable. And then you have to put the decals and the stickers as well. So overall, it's still a good build, and I highly recommend it, especially if you have the Weapon X Wolverine, Marvel Legends, for example. You can put your Wolverine here as is regeneration chamber. Plus, it has light up feature as well. So, yeah. So, might as well get this, guys. It's gonna be good diorama piece to add to your collection. So, thank you guys for watching and see you on my next unboxing. Bye!